Best ways on how to invest in real estate with little money. It is possible to invest in real estate business with only a little amount of money. That is a common way to start making money through the real estate business. There is no need to have a lot of money at first for beginners to start investing. Try some of these ways on how to invest in real estate with little money. It will still be profitable when properly done along the way. 1. Purchase real estate investment trusts. This is a clear solution to invest in real estate with only a little money on hand. This is similar to mutual funds. There are companies that own office buildings, hotels, apartments, and retail spaces, often offering their so-called rights. It often offers high dividends in return for the investment, so that it is the best real estate investment without having to win any building or properties. 2. Use online real estate investing platform. The next option to do on how to invest in real estate with little money is to make use of an online real estate investing platform. This is the place that connects investors and real estate developers who need funds. In general, this is where people meet other people, and eventually become borrowers and investors. This is the best way to get quick funds to invest in the real estate business right away. 3. Find rental properties. Renting properties is also considered as a form of investment in real estate. It is the best way to get started in real estate investing. Find any property that is for sale, which can be rented out on how to invest in real estate with little money. If a house has 4 bedrooms, clearly they can be rented. The rest of the house and one of the bedrooms can be occupied by the owner as well. 4. Try flipping properties. This is another way of starting out investing in real estate with just a little money. Search for unfinished or damaged properties to be flipped with little money. Once finished, they can be sold at a higher price than it was offered before. It is a good idea to do as long as there is an experienced partner around to help out on this particular matter of flipping properties. 5. Rent a part of the house. This is the very last possible way on how to invest in real estate with little money. There are websites like Airbnb that allow people around the globe to rent their rooms for traveling foreigners. Get to know about this and try it out immediately. There is no need to buy a property first just to bring this idea into reality and make some money. The idea of investing in something is always interesting. The promising profit over investment is what makes it even more interesting. It is even possible to invest in something with just a little amount of money. Just try those things out on how to invest in real estate with little money, especially for starters, before going further later on. Click the link below in the description to learn more.